Bro, you already know we out here, man. Yeah, we at Wynwood right now. We're actually here to get a haircut.
Bruh.
Alright? I know it sounds pretty strange for me to say that, but the time has come. Today I'm here with my sister. My really amazing sister.
Okay.
The person that's gonna be cutting my hair, her name is B Blondour. She gives great haircuts, according to the public. It's all the way on the other side. So yeah, let's head over there right now and let's hope for the best, you know? So my sister is gonna be recording me today, just so you know. See you later. Okay, so we're just gonna start like this. This is how I look before the cut. As you can see, my hair is past my shoulders. I'm gonna be getting rid of that today. So B Blondour, she starts by trimming my hair when it's dry. I'm used to wet trimming, but if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Next, I get my hair washed, and this is normal when you're getting a haircut. And this steam right here, I'm not 100% sure what it's for, but it definitely made the detangling process 10 times easier. I didn't feel a thing. This massager for your scalp is so amazing. I almost fell asleep during this process. And then you see the ones looking clean. All right, and after I get my hair washed, you know, this is when the styling begins. So she begins to part my hair in small sections so she could evenly distribute the product into each area. It's a long process, but I mean, the results are gonna be worth it. And for this, she uses the Red Ken product, the Red Ken products. I've heard of that, but I never really thought of using it as my main product, but let's see how it is. And as you can see, the quality is off the charts.
Bruh.
The quality is off the charts.
Bruh.
Thank you, sister. And as you can see, it's very defined and moisturized. But at the root, you can see it's a little frizzy, but we could work with that, you know. You need a little frizz. You can't have it too defined or it's gonna look too neat, you know. I don't like that neat look. She's still trimming my hair when she's styling. Yeah, that's all. She still trims my hair while she's styling. And you guys know how I usually dry my hair. I use that gray towel. Well, I'm gonna be getting my hair diffused today. I never diffuse my hair. And she still is trimming my hair while she's styling it, just to make sure she gets the perfect shape. At this point, the hair looks good, but we're not done. We gotta get it perfect. We still gotta get the volume too. And I told B Blondour about the pick that I used, the long metal pick, and she delivered. All right, and now she separates my hair, and then she picks from the roots only, and that increases the volume. Next, she wants to separate my curls, so I can have the maximum amount of curls. And that's it for the cut. Bro, you already know we out here, man. Yo, we a new person right now? Okay, it's way too loud outside, so you can barely hear me. But basically what I said was, you already know we out here, man. We're like a brand new person right now. Let me know down in the comments if you like the cut. Comment, I like your cut, G, if you like the cut. Also, I cut off a lot of hair, but you know, this is what I got. That's pretty much it. You already know we out here, and you already know we out here.
Oh my gosh! Look at the dog!
Yeah.
He's so cute!